Kala mo first time maka... Ayun tayo, asa?
So guys, nakarating na tayo sa Titas Bakery. So ayun po, mali po yung binabaan ko.
Hello! Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Yes!
So, anong gagawin ba natin dito? Bibili tayo ng hopya.
Yes!
So, ano bang alam nyo about hopya?
Wala!
Wala! Oh, that's right. Ako rin.
Kaya tatanungin natin si...
Celio, Lauang, and si Cruz. Let's go!
Hopia is made of thin, flaky pastry. Traditionally, hopia is filled with mung bean paste or munggo. But nowadays, there are so many variations when it comes to the filling, such as chocolate, pineapple, and custard. But the most popular is ube or pulpul yam.
The origin of Tipas Hopia. Belen Flores founded Tipas Bakery located in Ibayo, Tipas, Taguig City. She wanted to prove that Filipinos can create a hopia at par with those produced by the Chinese. In 1988, Inang Belen produced its first hopia product, which is hopia munggo. The inspiration to sell hopia came from her customers. Aling Belen started creating hopia at the home kitchen. With its plain flaky crust and simple bean filling, Tipas Hopia became a tasty snack of the Filipinos. The first few boxes were an instant hit and left the customers hungry for more. The original Tipas Bakery is now owned by one of her daughters, Alicia Flores Santa Ana, also charged with enhancing the product and expanding its market.
Hopia is simple to make. A person just has to have the patience to make it. Hopia is created through baking. But before baking, one must be prepared to break a sweat by kneading and rolling the dough many times to achieve the thin, flaky crust of the hopia. Order na po kami. So, sorry po. Ambaga na po kami ngayon.
Ayun tayo, asa?
Ito, sambukan ko.
Kala mo first time makakain ng hopya eh.
Picturean mo.
Ito
Ito muna. Dileche. Tipas hopya, dileche.
Pakita mo yung loob. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nasang gata? It's like condensed with milk.
It's
very yummy.
Guru.
Hala! Lasa siyang delete. Time lapse.
Sarap.
Okay, yung next po natin is
Choco pie.
Yay! Okay. Wala pa mo eh. 1, 2, 3. Di ba matamis kasi may pagkamapait?
Diba, hindi naman. Pero mas bet ko pa rin yung leche. For me.
Nagbabalot na kami.
Pinapak na po natin.
Paminta sibuyas bawang bitin.